Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to check out one of this season's hottest trends, and that is the pixie undercuts. Now, pixie undercuts are simply pixies that feature shaven portions of the hair. This is a trend that we've been seeing for quite a few years now, and it is really continuing to grow in popularity. It provides a nice bit of edge to the overall traditional pixie haircuts, and there are so many different ways that you can wear this look out. You can rock a style that does feature more of a shaven portion of hair, or you can feature one that has less. It really just depends on your own personal preference and style. Here is someone that actually has a bit of bald patches in the back, but her undercut covers those pieces, and she went to go get the hair shaven even more so you couldn't even see them. But this is a great way to rock out this particular trend. So here we have someone who has a very small section of hair. The rest of the hair has been shaven, of course. You can curl the hair upwards if you want to, add a little bit of texture and choppiness to the overall look. You can also dye the hair a different color. We're seeing a lot of pinks and silver tones. And just really have fun with the look overall. It's a great edgy style. You can also add in some designs to the hair if you want to do something a little bit different. A lot of stylists are now doing like different type of abstract style designs, line detailing, zigzag patterns. It's all about experimenting with the hair and not being afraid to try something different. So I hope you guys are enjoying these particular hair clips. If you are, please be sure to give this video a like if you feel inspired, and let us know in the comments below, are you thinking about getting a pixie undercut, or do you already have one? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next one.